mac and cheese, never from the box again. Check this out. Ingredients: elbow macaroni, butter, cream, cheese. That's it. It's just mind-blowing how easy this is to make. Check it out. Get your water started, add a handful of salt, and let that come to a boil. All right, water's boiling. We're gonna add our pasta, and we're gonna go 8 minutes. Just check the box, check the time. It's between 7 to 10 minutes typically. When you first drop the pasta in the water, make sure you give it a stir so the pasta doesn't stick together, and it'll help cook evenly. Alright guys, pasta's all strained off. I'm just having it in the pot ready to go next to the saute pan. I'm going to turn on the saute pan and heat that up now. Saute pan's ready. Let's add some butter. Let that melt down. And then we're going to add our cheese and our cream. And I have a mix of cheese. I have mozzarella and 3 different types of cheddar mixed all together. Okay, butter's melted. Add our cheese. And our cream. And we're gonna let that melt together. Okay, once the cheese is pretty melted, go ahead and start adding your macaroni. And then depending on how cheesy or how less cheesy you want it, you can adjust with the cream or cheese. So this is rather cheesy. I'm gonna add a little more cream. Okay, so you continue cooking until you get the right texture that you like. Add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then taste and adjust your seasoning accordingly. Look at this, guys. Homemade mac and cheese. Sexy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave some comments down below on dishes that you want to cook that we could cook together. Thanks for watching.